surge from Hurricane Idalia has literally shifted the current. The river is running the opposite way. Boats are being knocked loose and their masts are slamming into the bridge coming into town.
We wanted to show you storm surge, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. Brad, let's go down, look at what we've got coming in. Look at this water coming in now. It is just rushing in at the present time. We've got tropical storm conditions here. The center is about 50, probably 55 miles or so to my west-northwest now. So it's probably at its closest point here for Cedar Key. But remember, we're still pushing that water. Huge southwest component with the wind, still pushing that water in here. And you kind of wonder with these homes across the street with the lattice, how high the water is going to get there with a forecast of 12 to 16 feet. We lost power about an hour ago, but the surge is coming in. I mean, come look at this. This is unbelievable. We're essentially surrounded by water right now. It has not stopped. But you can literally see the surge coming in. Go down to the University of Florida sign, Brad. I mean, it's just coming in waves. Just coming in waves, and it keeps piling up here. We're getting strong tropical storm force, maybe a hurricane gust, but what we're seeing is this right here, the storm surge coming in. And now what's really been interesting since the last time we talked to you guys is now that the water is high enough where you're not getting that land interface with the Gulf, the waves are just free to roll in. But look at this, just rushing in here. Absolutely incredible amounts of water, but we've got some roof damage. All right, let's show the roof here, about 3 doors down. You can see it flapping around there. It's a tin roof, and there it goes. A tremendous amount of storm surge. Pretty much in the entire Big Bend has a huge water rise right now, and even here, where I'm at in Cedar Key, we now have the record, 621. All right, 6-1 was the old record back in 2016 from Hermine. Now we've set the record at 621 here at Cedar Key. Let me show you what that means. The water has come in and almost rolled to the top of that first little overhang, which is incredible. We've actually had door damage on this first door, Brad. You can see what looks like the framing that's actually come out now. So that's the door. So there's water easily in to that first room there. So there's structural damage. As far as the eye can see here, guys, this is what we've got. Water out, still coming in, still rising here. We're going to go above the record, which is currently at 6.21 at the lattice reading. That is the new record for storm surge here in Cedar Key. There's no doubt you're getting water in at least 2 of these homes. You start to see more and more debris kind of floating around, whether they be pomprons, parts of docks, 2x4s. We've had some containers come through as well. We've peaked at our surge, 6.9 feet. Record surge here in the Cedar Key area at 6.9 feet. The old record with Hermine in 2016 on September 2nd was 6.1. We are now at 6.9. The problem is it doesn't matter about the numbers. We've got water in homes and businesses here.
Oh. Aaron?
Can't do anything about it, babe. That whole thing